when it's time to get out the car, just pop her back on. Get her straight how she was, and we good to go. Listen. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HerGivenHair. They sent me this wig to try for you guys. It is also Sipping and Slaying. Your girl got her Wawa today because listen, you see this hair. It's a little warm in here because the heat is on, but when I step outside, bundle up. But anyway, y'all are here for the hair. And this braid out right here, y'all, this is me. You're not gonna tell me it's not. Don't type it, okay? This is all me right here. Edges where? I don't need them. You want to learn how to get your braid out just like this? Make sure you keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from HerGivenHair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. First things first, I talk fast. A little option right here, click it. Okay, you can click it and slow the video down. I promise you it will help you. Now today's wig is a full cap bang unit. It does have a lace part right here in the middle, as you can see on the cap right here, to give you a scalp look on the top of your head. This is their coily texture, and I did do a braid down after the wash. I rarely do that. I normally just define the curls and keep it moving, but I want to try something a little different. Hopefully it comes out decent. Even though this is a bang unit, I don't necessarily want to use the bang.
Guys, it was all a lie. She lied.
I don't know how I'm gonna do it. That middle part, where's she at? She's over here. Let me turn this a bit. That's how she's looking. All right, all the way around. She kind of cute. Let me take a picture real quick. I need a thumbnail. I've only done a braid out like maybe once or twice, and they never come out right, okay? Because my hair is always still a little too damp. This still feels a little damp. Ugh, I'm scared. They said you're supposed to use some oil on your fingers to like unravel it. Do I have, oh, I have a little bit right here. Do a little oil on my fingers to, oh, that may be too much. All right, to unravel this, I braided the hair down and twisted the ends. I put mousse on it. I probably need oil on both fingers. Goodness gracious. I don't want to cause too much frizz. That looks cute. Like that. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's cute. Let me not get too excited. Hold up. The wash for this unit was very easy. Even though the hair looks thick out the pack, once you put the water on it, it didn't seem as thick as I thought it was gonna be. Like it didn't swell too much under the water. So that was good. It also brushed through really easily as well. I did use the Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner to wash and condition my hair. And then I used my Nairobi mousse to put the twist in. So that was very easy. Oh, that's pretty. Wigs like this from HerGivenHair should be beginner friendly, in my opinion. Even if you decide to just do a wash and go, the curls after I washed them were gorgeous. I just wanted to do something a little different. I keep seeing these braid outs on my social media, and I just wanted to try them. But then I was second guessing myself because I felt like I didn't have enough braids in my hair compared to what other people were doing. Maybe I should have watched the tutorial. That was a little frizzy. Let me be careful with that. Yes, I sped it up a little bit because y'all guys see me unbraid every single one. I know one of y'all still gonna be like, we like to see all of it. You may want to see it, but you ain't watching all of it. I can tell by my analytics. I'm not gonna waste y'all time, and you ain't gonna waste mine either. This is so pretty. Okay, now I gotta figure out how the hair is gonna go. This needs to come here. That needs to go back, yep, back there. You doing something? And my hair is still a little damp, a little. I want it a little bit more fluffy without picking it out. This is so cute. Ah! So high and warm. Let me get my pick. I need to add some volume in the hair. Bring that up, bring that up, bring that up. Bring that up. This is a shake and go wig. I could just take it off and shake it around, but Ooh, I don't want to do that. I want to kind of shape it on my head. I just want to add some lift in the hair. As it dries down, it'll get bigger, which I don't mind. I want my hair to be big, especially for a natural texture like so. I gotta figure out my front here. I don't think I want these little curly things on the end, and kind of open those up a bit. I'm just separating the ones that are a little bit too clumped on the ends. Let me see, where is the bang? Where is the bang? I don't gotta wear the bang if I don't want to. I can just kind of bring some of these hairs down to kind of hide that cap, like so. Where's that part? Let me find it. Try not to mess up my hair too much. We getting there. We are getting there. I mean, I guess I am gonna use the bang. Let me get my hairspray. Oh, right here in my face. Using my hairspray really quick. Bring this up. Scrunch that up. The vibe I'm going for. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. It's not my strong hand. It's kind of struggling a little bit right there. I think that's where I want it. So let me use the drawstring in the back to tighten it down. Although this wig comes with combs, I'm not using near one of them. This wig is on my head thanks to that drawstring and the size of my head. My head is big. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the haters off. They're gonna be out there when they see me with this hair. Yeah, this is me. This is me. Okay, do y'all see this wig? The braid out came out perfectly. I am now that girl. The girl with the cute braid out, that's me. This came out better than I expected. Y'all saw me shake it up a little bit more. Okay, that shake and go was put to work, okay, because I was doing all this, and it definitely helped the look of the wig, the look that I'm going for. Yes. Yes, I could go in and stretch the hair out a little bit more, but I'm gonna kind of let it do its own thing right now. Yeah, maybe stretch it later once it gives me the final shape. First day hair, anyone? It looks great. And so does that price point. For a brand that prides itself on high quality, natural looking wigs, $269 is a good deal for this. I want my hair like this every day. No edges necessary. And with this little bit of lace, you can spend less face time with that man. Okay, you don't gotta do it, hang it up. Work this one out on your own, okay? Hold up. This hair does bring the heat, but you know, it's getting cold outside, so you know, bundle up. And guess what? If I don't want to wear it, I can just take her off. Like it gets too hot in the car or something, take her off, plop her on the seat, and come back to her later. And when it's time to get out the car, just pop her back on. Listen, tighten her down in the back, get her straight how she was, and we good to go. Listen. I'm not trying to sell you a wig. I'm just telling you. Shout out one more time to HerGivenHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.